Again to HTML, JavaScript, and CSS tutorial. HTML5 introduces a lot of ways to accommodate increasingly interactive multimedia nature of the web. And in this session, we'll be looking at how do we add audio and video to a web page in very simple little lines of code. HTML has evolved from being able to add images at one point in time and then on to audio and then to video and to to be able to make it more faster to making it today a lot more easier. So the simplest embedded content that is possible right now using a video tag nested inside a paragraph just for formatting purpose. And a video tag will have a source tag with the source attribute embedded. A video tag will never come standalone, but with a source inside of it. And the source will point over to either a file like ours inside your home directory or inside the same directory as of your index files or your web project, or to an external medium like this, which will define the type of video it is. So let's just see how that comes on a web page. Now I'll also explain what this does. This is video. We're defining the attribute with a value of 400 pixels, and when we say controls, we refer to the control of being able to play. Let's see what happens if I remove it, and if I remove it, the controls are gone. So the controls helps. Sometimes you might want to not let the user do any sort of controlling, and in those cases you don't let that pause or volume decrease or even a download option, and this is a better way of controlling the user from downloading it, is to also remove it. Then there's also a fallback content that you can add right after this, something like let's say if your video is not available, your HTML browser, you're still on a older computer or running Windows XP on Internet Explorer, then this will not work. And you can add something here right under it saying your browser does not support HTML5. And those browsers who do not render this tag or do not understand this will display this message. So in our case, we're safe that we're using a latest browser. Let's see if this works. I'm going to click on this play, and the video starts to play, whatever that video is. And you might wonder, how do I add a YouTube video and the sound also is playing? You can't hear that, but do try this out. Download your favorite song or a music or a video onto your project, and then be able to add it to your paragraph. And in this way, with the audio which is similar to video, only difference is it doesn't have the width. You don't have to specify the height of audio, that because there's nothing visual, and hence that attribute value is missing. However, you need to specify a source. You can also specify a URL like this, as long as it ends with a file name in the end. It may not open a SoundCloud or any other podcast royalty-free video website unless you download them. So that's a restriction on audio. However, there are websites that allow such links to be used, so people can download their songs, and you should be able to extend the web URL with the ending with the file name of that audio song in an MP3 format. Now, moving ahead, how do you copy and put a YouTube video? If you're wondering, there is a iframe that every YouTube video has. When you click on the share button, there will be an option to click on embed. So that's how the YouTube videos also can be added. You can add any number of YouTube videos that are allowed to be embedded, and you need to verify that by going to the video itself, and you should be able to put this on your web page the way you'd like it. That's about adding audio and video to HTML5. It's a lot easier. These things load faster as well. When I refresh them, they load really fast. You can barely see that the page is getting refreshed. So this is another advantage of HTML5. It's a lot easier. In just a few lines of code, we have audio, video playing on our web page. All right, thanks for watching. Let's catch up on the next video where we do something new and learn about HTML5. See you there. Bye-bye.